Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and having fun at your home. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids for the Cap. And today we are going to start a new chapter, and that is all about me. So this is your chapter 1, which is all about me. So without wasting any time, let's start our today's chapter. Okay, so everyone has a name. Like I have a name, and you also must be having your names. Your father has a name, your mother has a name. So everyone has a name, and we call them by their names, right? So you have to write your name here. Like my name is Kajal. So I will write here Kajal, okay? If your name is Aryan, Ara, whatever your name is, you have to write that name over here, okay? So let's write the name first. Quickly take out your pencils and write the names with me. My name is Kajal. You will write your name here, okay? Next is I am dash years old. So tell me, how old are you? I know you must be 5 or 6. So you will write 5 or 6 here, okay? Like I am, whatever years I am old, I will write that here, okay? Next is my birthday is on, everyone has a born day in which they were born. So we will write the date of their birthday, okay? Like my birthday is on 15 September. I will write here September 15. Okay? And you will write your birthdays here. Alright? Okay. And next is self-portrait. You have to paste a picture of yours over here so that we can recognize that it's your picture. It's about you. Okay? Everything here is about you. Your age, your name, your birthday, and everything is about you. So you will paste here a picture of yours. Alright? Okay, so next is my favorite. You have to write 4 things that is your favorite. First is color. Like my favorite color is black or white. So I will write that here. White or black. That is my favorite color. If your favorite color is pink, you will write pink here. Okay. Next is favorite animal. There are so many animals in this world, right? And then you have to write your one favorite animal that you love the most. Like I love cats. So I will write here cats. My favorite animal is cat. Okay? You can write your favorite, be it a dog or cow, horse, cat, anything. Okay? Next is TV show. Now, I know every one of you watches TV, right? You watches cartoon, TV serials, and a lot many things. You will write any one TV show that you love to watch, okay? Like I love to watch Powerpuff Girls. Yes, so I will write here Powerpuff Girls. If you like to watch Chhota Bheem or Little Singam, you can write here anything like that, okay? Okay, so last thing is book. Now, we have so many books with us, right? We have story books, we have English books, we have Hindi books, maths books, coloring books. So, any book can be your favorite book that you love the most. Like I love coloring book. I love to do coloring. So, I will write here coloring book. You can write your favorite book in this box, okay? Like this, it's all about me, and you will fill this page as all about you, okay? This is all about me, and I have filled it in my form, like my name, my birthday, my color, my favorite book, how many years old I am. Like this, you will do everything that is about you. Okay? Please do this page at your home, and I will see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.